if you look the literature, then you will find in November 1922, Einstein was awarded the 1921 prize, Nobel Prize for his service of theoretical physics and specifically for his discovery of law of photonic effect. So before that, actually, I would like to speak about the IEEE Photonic Society. So IEEE Photonic Society UP sections recently, like in last year, we have started in IIIT Allahabad, and the current chairman is Dr. Akhilesh Tiwari. So this IEEE Photonic Society of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, basically IEEE, focused on the specific scientific and engineering knowledge about the field of quantum electronics. And about IAPT, like basically it's known as the Indian Association of Physics Teachers. So each year we are used to several faculty, they involve together and they develop several experiments to demonstrate our college students. So, okay, so now I am going to demonstrate this experiment real. So I will go in the other room. The reason is that because this experiment is sensitive with the moisture. Without, if moisture is very high or humidity is very high, then it's not going to work. So I am going to in other room and with other system I will connect. Okay. So Akhilesh sir, for the time being, you can speak about little bit IEEE Photonic Society and IAPT. So I am going in another room.
Thank you, Pramodji. Actually, the experiment. Initially, we were thinking about do a separate program for this experiment. But I would like to mention that the people which you are studying at your book about the photoelectric effect is entirely a different one. But the initial experiment which was performed by Einstein at that time was different one. And I think most of us have no idea how it was thought and how it was performed initially. So fundamentally this year we have organized several workshops regarding these kind of experiments, and Professor S.C. Verma have really demonstrated once these kind of structures, and I thought with the help of IEEE Photonic Society, why not we will just remember the Albert Einstein and just try to do the same very small experiment and demonstrate you all how fundamental it is and how it is playful for all of us. But I don't know how many of us have the idea which was or which kind of experiment he did at that time. So हम इस experiment को मतलब प्रमोद जी परफॉर्म करेंगे, तो प्लीज इसको बहुत मैन्युअली देखिएगा कि कैसे होता है. प्रमोद जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू. आप अपनी वॉइस अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को.
So this glass is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay. So here top of this glass we have aluminum foil. In center of this aluminum foil, one small hole, and through that one copper wire is going through. Okay. So you can say on top of that, see this one. So copper wire, and this copper wire is going up to bottom, not bottom like it, at least above the glass. Then it's bended. Okay. So after then we have like two aluminum foil. It's hanged with this copper wire. Okay. So now next, because this is the like in home, I try this balloon because ultimately our aim to transfer the charge. Or okay, you can decide exactly what is going on. So basically, you are going to tell us what is going on and how we are saying this is the photoelectric effect. Okay, so let's watch and then you can give your opinion. Yeah, this experiment is very useful. So now what I am doing, I am going to rub this balloon in my head. So in a simplest way, like you can
just yes, very nice. Good.
Okay, so now because this one is more see,
Yes.
There is a small
Yes, yes. There is.
foil. Just it is
okay.
separated.
So now you can see now you have a splitting
Separation.
in this aluminum foil, whatever hanged in the bottom. So you can think like exactly how this one is happening. If I will touch my finger here, so see now it's again touch it. Again, if you rub the balloon your hand, you can you go other way also. Yeah. Again you see again you have a splitting. So it means something is happening, and that's why this aluminum foil is going far away. Okay. So next step. This is the first step where we are watching how we are getting the splitting in this aluminum foils. Once I am after rubbing the balloon from here and touching this aluminum foil. So next, what I am going to do first. Okay, so now here you have splitting, and just take the UV light and turn on just above this. Then you can find this gap just decreases very fast, or these aluminum foils settle very fast. Okay. Okay. So even like you can perform this experiment in the home. Okay. So now I am going in other room. So this is the experiment like I was interested to demonstrate you. And
So just so once more after with the help of this UV light.
okay, sir. Okay.
UV लाइट का इफेक्ट थोड़ा सा कम दिखाई दिया, फिर से एक बार बताएं.
Yes, 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 yes.
Actually, like because like it's not very clearly visible, so that's why maybe several participants they will face the problem. If they can perform their own, then they will get the better idea.
So glass is empty or there is some liquid in the glass?
It totally
Glass
like
is empty.
we
Okay.
don't
Yes, it comes closer.
almost settle now.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now I am closing this. I am going in another room. Because I came on this room, reason is that here I have AC, and for performing the experiments, we have to control the moisture, so that's why I turned on the AC here. I am going in another.
Sir, unmute कर लीजिए, unmute. Sir, unmute.
Thank you, Pramod ji, for showing us a nice experiment.
Yes, yes.
So okay, so before starting the talk, just I am interested to discuss with audience. Anyone, can you explain this experiment? Anyone, like, can you tell like exactly what is the going on? Because I hope maybe our faculty belong to college or some places. So definitely they are teaching to undergraduate students. So this experiment is very useful for them. So even like actually only I spent the money for buying this UV light around 400 rupees, 400 or 500 rupees. Otherwise, cost is almost negligible to show like demonstrate the real experiment. So anyone like who can explain this experiment?
चलिए आप टॉप के बाद में भी अगर कोई एक्सप्लेन करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं.
Okay, so no, if they're not if still they have problem, let's see this video, because this experiment was explained by my daughter. So you can see this video.
And the brick is steady foil strip has
I hope here is a little bit more clear.
Now I will rub this balloon from my hair to generate charge.
Actually,
Bringing near to the copper wire, see what happens. We can see the aluminum foil repel each other and relax with time.
Because once if you will do your own, then you will find really this experiment is interesting.
See it again. Now the next step, we will relax the charge with the help of the wheel. So, what phenomenon is going on? Rubbing the balloon on the hair creates the charges. And then the charged balloon, when we touch on the copper wire, the charges are transferred through the wire to the aluminum foil strips. And then after that, those foil strips repel each other because of the same charges are created in them. They are forced to do that. Like the south and south magnets repel each other, like that they repel each other. And now what's done? They take time to discharge themselves. They relax with time and they discharge with the help of air and moisture that is surrounding us. Then, so under the illumination of UV light, the charges are relaxed quickly. That is called the photoelectric effect.
Okay, so that's all. So I am going to start my talk.